Dear students, I am going to create a video on alternate assignment. Once you go to the module 8, go to alternate assignment, click on the question, you get the question. The question says there's a one variable data question. Smith is preparing for 2015 Economic Summit. His boss gave him following details. Each ticket costs $100. They are expecting to sell anywhere between 200 and 400 tickets. Put it as increment of 25. The dinner buffet costs $25 per person. Gift per person is worth $10. Marketing is $1,000 and auditorium cost is $4,000. Calculate revenue, contribution margin and profit before taxes for the summit. This is the one variable data question, and for the question I have already created the Excel sheet for you in case somebody doesn't know about how to create it. I already created the Excel sheet for you. The Excel sheet is looking, I'm just opening the Excel sheet now. You click on that and you open the Excel sheet. Once you open the Excel sheet, you will get something like this. This is the Excel sheet. So the first thing, we are going to create one variable data table, and for that the ticket sales are from 200 to 400 as increment of 25. So I put 200, 225, and I drag it down till 400. This is the ticket sales, and we have to calculate three things. One is sales revenue, second one is contribution margin, and third one is profit before taxes. As you see, the headings are numbers. We have to change it to proper headings. For that we have to use something called custom formatting. I have already done it in one of the previous videos, but I'm going to do it again. Right click, go to format cells, go to custom format, and then put in quotation mark what you are looking at, sales revenue, and the quotation mark. You repeat it one more time because sometimes the number is negative. In that case, the sales revenue will be put as negative sales revenue as heading, which makes no sense. So you have to repeat it twice. So semicolon followed by sales revenue in the quotation marks. Click OK. Then you get sales revenue there. Repeat that for contribution margin. Right click, format cells, custom format, and contribution margin. I repeated the same. Click OK. Then we get contribution margin there, followed by profit before taxes, profit before taxes. Make sure that you are typing exactly the same twice with quotation marks, and in between there is a semicolon, quotation mark, profit before taxes. Okay, profit before taxes. Now what is it? You see the quotation mark should be there at the end too. Okay, you get profit before taxes. For getting the one variable data table working, you have to select this whole table, go to data, go to what if analysis, go to data table, and here the column input, this is the column, right? This is the column. So column input cell is the ticket sales. So we are going to go to ticket sales. That is the column, ticket sales. Click OK. You will get the one variable data table. After that, I have already given in the announcement to put proper heading. So in this case, the heading is sales revenue. So the heading is, you have to put the proper heading. We are going to put the proper heading, sales revenue. Copy it, or you can type it also. Sales revenue, contribution margin, and profit before taxes. That is based on the ticket sold. So I'm merging it in and centering it so that it is shown properly here. Okay. For that, after that, since it's a data table, I want to make sure it's a table-like format. So I put in table, and I got the one variable data table. So in the one variable data table, remember that there is only one variable which is changing. In the two variable data table, we have two variables which are changing. That I'm going back to the question, two variable data table question. Smith's boss is not sure about what price he should sell the tickets. He wants to know what is the profit before taxes when the ticket price varies between 75 and 100, and at the same time sales varies between 200 and 400. So there are two variables. One is the ticket price and second one is the sales. So we already know how to put the ticket price thing. So I'm just putting the ticket price 200, 225. This is 25 increment. $200, 225. I needed space to put the heading, so I dropped it down. So 200, I am giving up to 400. So it is up to 400, and then you are looking at price variance from 75 to 100 as $5 increments, 75, 80. So we have to reach up to $100. So it is a varying, and after that we have to find out profit before taxes. So if you look at here, you know that these things cannot be changed as headings. These are not headings. So the only one heading here you have to put is here in the corner. I repeat, in the corner is the profit before taxes. Again, the profit before taxes, even though it's a corner, but we have to put heading. What is the heading there? Ticket sold, right? This is the heading for this one. So I'm going to custom format it same way as I did earlier. I'm going to put ticket sales. So in quotation marks, ticket sales, semicolon, quotation mark, ticket sales. Remember to make sure that you are typing it in the exact fashion twice. Okay, so you got the two variable skeleton ready. So what will you do after that? You have two variable data table. Which are the variables which are changing? One is the ticket sales and one is the price. So go to data, go to what if analysis, go to data table, and the row is the ticket sales. Sorry, the column is the ticket sales and the row is the selling price. So row is the selling price. We already know column. We did it that for the one variable data table, the ticket sales part, that is this one. So C7 in this case is the column and C8 is the row, right? Ticket sales is in the row. So after that, click OK. You would be getting two variable data table like this. Then again you have to put heading, which you have to either type it or just paste and copy paste from the announcement. I put it for announcements, so in case somebody don't want to type it. So it is Marjan Center. Again this one, Marjan Center. Then put this one close, and this one as again a table. This is a data table. I prefer to be table, and save it and submit it. Hope it is clear. It is so easy. It will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes to do this.